20-year-old can of Coke. What should you do with it? Some say just throw it out. Will it kill you? Will it explode if you try to open it? Maybe give you superpowers? Keep watching to see. Wait. Are you sure you're ready to see this? Looks alright, but should you drink it? It's probably best to just toss it. Hey, if you're feeling adventurous, you can always give it a try. Who knows, it might still taste okay. Just don't blame us if it doesn't. No animals or people were harmed in the making of this video.